Hello everybody, I'm Marianne, nice meeting you, and today we're doing a glow up series. I love watching those kind of videos where people just do like a lot of different steps in order to get prettier. The most common videos that I see is when people travel to Korea, they get like all of their things done. I am not in Korea, I came to Colombia, so right now I'm just in my room, but I still think that Colombia is a beauty destination because you can get a lot of the things done here. So I'm planning to get nails, hair, and all of that stuff. Stick around and see how it turns out. Quick disclaimer, this video is not by any means just saying that glowing up only has to do with how you look, but I do think that doing like things like self-care can get you like a little bit more confident in yourself, and I just think that this is just fun to do. So hope you enjoy. I think the last time that I got my nails done was, I don't remember, so I'm so excited. They look horrible. Back in the US, they're way more expensive than here, so I just gotta make the most out of it. They look so pretty. The thing is that they do take like their time. They do a really good job. If you have a chance to do it in Colombia, do it. Last times I have been like having like such extreme changes, so I turned like my hair lilac, then I had like a few highlights, but today I think I'm just going for like a haircut, because the last time that I had a haircut like professionally was back in Korea, and that was almost a year ago, so it's already time. Good morning everybody, today is my last day in Colombia, so that only means that our glow up is almost done. I already washed my hair, did my skincare. I'm gonna go and do my hair, and then I'm gonna come back so we can finish like the last details. My hair is already dry and everything. I have my makeup bag, so let's start. First thing, lip balm. You just wait until you get everything done, and in the meantime it's gonna hydrate your lips. I've been doing my makeup the same for a while and I really like how it turns out, so as I am applying, I'm also gonna let you know what I'm using. But first we're gonna do concealer. So basically just in like these areas where it gets a little bit darker, a little bit on the outer corners and on the lids, so it also works as an eyeshadow primer. And I also have like a few like acne spots, so I'm also gonna blend those. You just start blending everything. So I never wear foundation. I don't really like any texture, or I haven't tried a really good one, so I'm just using concealer to make my whole face like a little bit more like consistent. Start blending everything. Also try to like tap the brush, not like swiping, but more like tapping. Setting everything with a compact powder. I set the whole face, not only the things that I put concealer on, but everything, because I have really oily skin, so I never really like to have that glow, because I don't know, I think I have a bit of trauma, so I like everything matte. Moving on to brows, start brushing them. I don't have like super thick brows, but I want them to feel like really clean and have shape, so it looks pretty. Start filling out like all of the empty spots. I just have like a really small palette where it has some neutral colors, but they're really handy because that's everything that I actually wear. It has lasted basically forever. Like I bought it I think 2023 and it's still like going strong. Put it on the lower lashes, so I don't know, it gives like more shape to the eye. See. Also gonna do it on the upper part of the eye, like a wing eyeliner. Moving to eyeliner. I used to wear like a lot of liquid eyeliners, but they dry out so fast. And then I found this one that is actually like really creamy, but once it sets, it doesn't move the whole day. Also wearing it in a burgundy red. I like it because if you don't like notice, it doesn't like shows, but it gives a really cute detail. The thing is that I go really on the inner corner of the eye and then I swipe it out like this. And then with the nail, I'm just gonna make it like really sharp. I also really like the look where you draw the inner corner. There we have it. Really subtle, but I like it. Finish, we're using an eyelash curler. Can you see the difference? I usually wear two types of mascara, black one and red. I don't know, I really like red, so I've been using this one non-stop, and when it runs out, I'm definitely gonna purchase another one because it's so cute. I'm telling you, like, it doesn't look like a big thing, but it makes such a unique look. And also this one, I got it in Japan and it has like lasted me for more than a year, so it is really good. I'm also gonna apply it on the lower lashes. I know that some people don't like to do it, but I just feel like it needs to be done. So I also apply a little bit on the lower lash. Move on to the blush. I like to just put it like on the outer part of the cheeks and on top of the bridge of the nose, a little bit here, everywhere, basically. With the same brush that I use for blending the concealer, I just blend everything once again. This one, I actually got it for free for my birthday. Sephora was giving it, and it has also lasted me more than a year. So the mini sizes, I love them. I love them because they're a little bit more convenient to carry around, and also like I just think that you get like newer product, so it doesn't sit for a long time. So imagine if this one lasts a year, then the full size would last me 10. I just don't really like having that old makeup. Everything that I have are minis, so like these ones, even the eyeshadow palette, it's mini size, and I don't actually think that you need any more. Lastly, we have lips. Fine with a lip liner. I'm just gonna take my lipstick and I'm just gonna tap it with my finger. I'm just gonna blend. We are done. Sometimes I wear lip gloss. This one is actually really cute. Basically, this is like my everyday makeup look. I don't do it every day. This is mostly for like special occasions. If I change anything, it might be like the color of the mascara or color of the eyeshadow, but other than that, it stays like pretty consistent and I love it. It's basically everything that I wear, and that's it. Really good. And then we're moving on to clothes. You know what happened? I was planning to wear this blouse with this skirt. They're not the same white. This is like white and this one is like a cream white. I don't like to mix them, so I'm gonna look and see what else can I wear. I didn't come with a lot of clothes to this trip, so I'm just gonna wear a blue jean. This is the final look. I really love the silhouette of the blouse, and I just love jeans, so this is nice. Final touches, so jewelry and perfume. If you want to know how I smell, this is it. Every day I smell like this. Of course, sometimes I change, but I smell like this. It's so good. I think that was everything for today. I had so much fun like filming this, and I definitely needed to treat myself a little bit better. So this was just perfect. I hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next one.